This is Aiden and Ashling's snowman.
No way, we're not done in my snowman.
Well, let's see. Stand by him so we can take his picture with you.
This is mine.
Okay, stand by him. Where's his eyes?
Right here, right here.
Move out of the way, Aiden. Oh. It's like an alien snowman, huh?
No, it's just a snowman.
Yeah? He's cute.
Thank you, Mama.
Where's his eyes?
Up here.
Oh, don't knock him over.
Right here.
Oh, okay.
And the nose.
Don't knock him over, Ash.
Mouth. And these are the arms.
Oh,
This is the scarf. And these are the earmuffs and these are the ears.
cute. Can you tell me anything else about him?
Aiden!
No, I like him on top. What's his name?
Samantha.
Samantha?
No. No head. No. He smells Sunny.
Sunny? Okay. All right.
Sunny. How about Sky? No, Sunny.
Sunny's
No,
nice.
Sky